Unpackage the individual components and familiarize yourself with all the parts. Read the instructions carefully. The instruction sheet provides all the necessary measurements for mounting the pullout. Make sure to use the measurements that correspond with your pullout width for the base. The upper front mounting bracket attaches to the bottom of the pantry rail in framed applications and to the bottom of the shelf in frameless cabinets. In frame cabinets, when measuring for the upper rear bracket, the D measurement is critical. This measurement is determined by measuring the distance between the bottom of the upper shelf to the bottom of the rail face frame. Mark all appropriate locations for install. Remove upper slide cabinet member by depressing the black release clip. Place slide with front and rear mounting brackets in position and secure with 7 number 8 by 5/8 inch pan head wood screws that are provided. Place the base in the cabinet and align for install. To access rear mounting holes, slide base open 1/4 of the way. Secure base with the 4 number 10 by 1 inch pan head wood screws that are provided. To assist with installing the pantry pullout, a channel has been built into the base and a guide block is attached to the bottom of the pullout to provide for ease of alignment. Loosen the support screws front and back on the upper U-bracket. This allows for easy alignment of the drawer slide member. Slide the base unit out of the cabinet and place the pantry unit on the base. As you begin to slide it into the cabinet, lift the U-bracket and insert the drawer slide member into the slide. Carefully push the pantry pullout into the cabinet. Using the 4 5/16 by 1 inch pan head machine screws and washers provided, secure the pullout to the base in the 2 locations on the front and on either side of the bottom shelf. Snap the 2 almond covers into place in the bottom shelf. Making sure the U-bracket is square to the pullout, hand tighten the rear screws. Push unit back in and while holding the front of the U-bracket in position, carefully pull the unit out to access the front support screws and hand tighten. Cycle the unit a couple of times, making necessary adjustments to achieve a smooth action. Then firmly tighten front and rear U-bracket screws. Pull the door mounting brackets out to the desired location. Because of the design of the mounting brackets, the only measurement needed is a height measurement. From the bottom of the upper door, measure to the center of the mounting bracket and subtract for necessary reveal between the doors. Measure, mark, and install door. To adjust the door mounting bracket, loosen the bracket screw to adjust left and right. Loosen door screws to adjust up and down. To adjust the tilt, loosen the bracket screw and screw the tilt screw outward to achieve the desired tilt. Once all adjustments are made, firmly tighten all the door mounting bracket screws.